What's up, y'all? Y'all know the slogan, another day, another video. Welcome to another episode, The Real Food Move. We coming to y'all live from Rosedale Pizzeria, Hartford, Connecticut, in Britain Avenue. And today we have a special guest. You'd like to introduce yourself, sir?
Yes, I'm Hartford City Councilman Lebron, great city of Hartford.
Yeah. And you know we do best, we get our grub on. What we have today, sir?
So today, first of all, I want to just shout out to Rosedale Pizzeria. We've heard wonderful things about this place. Hartford-based people owning the shop, coming through for the community and just doing wonderful things. And so we've heard all the buzzwords. Walter, you want to come in just to say hi?
What's up,
say
everybody? Walter St. Just here.
Yes. Haitian, let's go.
Haitian pizza.
Before you continue,
Yes.
like, subscribe, and share. Let's get it. Hold on.
All right. So
Hey, it's live over here.
it's
Trust
live.
me,
It's lit.
popping.
It's lit. Go to New Britain, Hillside Avenue. Come down. Come order your pizza online. You can pick up. So come down and support.
Oh.
All right. So in terms of the food, I think this is the magic pesto pizza. It's a white pizza, right? Exciting. It got the tomatoes on it. It looked like it got some bacon on it and some cheese, and then
It's going
the
down.
classic margarita, right?
What's on this
This
one?
is what it's about. The margarita pizza. I try to put my man Jason on to say like, look, the real food move. So, classic margarita.
Garlic Parmesan wings. There's a couple there. And you know how we do here. We gonna get it in.
I'm definitely gonna need something to drink. So diet Pepsi, what you gonna drink?
Nothing diet.
Nothing diet. So
Got
regular
pizza?
Pepsi.
Oh, do they got? They got cut your glasses, huh?
Yeah.
I'ma just dig in.
Yeah, me too.
Why y'all sort everything else? Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right, you gonna do that one? Okay, I'm gonna do. All right, so we both do the same one. All right, the real food move. Let's go. This is what it's about. Roll those pizza. Okay, tomato. Got that tomato there.
I tasted the bacon. Off the rip.
Thank you. It's good. Cause the bacon, give it a little bit of salt.
They got the pesto in this
They
too,
got
right?
the pesto, right. So I think that's the full flavor right here. I like to dance when I'm eating, like woo.
YouTube dance.
Yeah.
How long they been open?
I think Rosedale, they've been open. I know it's recently open. What's up, Papa? Hey, what's going on? I know it's recently open.
Yes, sir.
So I think 2 months. 2 months now.
Y'all been open for 2 months? 1 month.
1 month. Right, we got here, but they've been so busy. It's like 2 months worth of So they have like the pesto on the bottom, right?
Yeah, I can see it right here.
Yeah.
They very busy.
Yeah, very busy.
Get y'all orders in. Cause they coming in right now.
And so you see the crust right here. It's normally sometimes you see like the edges, whatever, but I think it's more like a more flat bread, right?
Tell me.
Okay. And then I don't know. You want to add?
It's good. I'm dropping. My brother come here all the time.
Yeah.
He's been telling me to come here.
Man, I heard they got like this deal. I forgot what it is. It's like you can feed like a family of 5 for like, you get 2 pizzas, some wings, and a 2-liter soda.
Okay. Now, that's the pesto. Magic, you said?
Magic pesto.
Magic pesto. And what's this one called?
Oh, pesto magic. Excuse me. This is the classic margarita.
This is like a tomato off the rip. Is this spinach?
On the margarita, let's see. It is fresh basil, tomato sauce, mozzarella, and the sliced tomatoes. And so I think we picked these 2 pizzas because on a classic level, right, the tomatoes, I think would resonate with me like with pizza,
Yes, sir. And we got garlic wings right here. Hey, real food move.
Real food move.
Nick Lebron, Hartford City Councilman here. Getting our grub on.
Hey, Joe, you doing anything with drinks? I need like some bubbles. Diet? You got diet Pepsi? No. All right, I'll take the Pepsi.
I take a Pepsi.
Yeah, 2 Pepsi.
Thank you, man.
I think a classic soda going with a classic pizza. You know.
You're right.
I think it makes sense.
It's hot.
Mm-hmm. It is hot. For
Hey.
sure. Thank God I got this hat on.
I do my YouTube dance. We grubbing.
Thank
Food
you.
everywhere.
All right, so I'm gonna try the wings next. The wings.
Do your thing, man.
So we got the garlic parmesan wings. Okay. Yeah.
I don't know what you said.
I do.
Mmm.
Garlic parmesan wings.
Yeah.
Before I always eat any wings, just so I can feel healthy, I just always have like a celery. I can just try to feel good about
I
myself.
usually just avoid the celery. 'Cause I don't like celery. That's just me. I think they should give you carrots or something.
You like carrots more than
I like carrots way more than celery. I mean, like way more than
like
celery.
way more than celery? You ever put peanut butter on celery?
So I don't eat celery, so I haven't tried any special tricks to it. You know what I mean? I just don't do celery.
All right. So I have my healthy celery today.
Okay. That's the help for today.
Does that help? Well, we got these tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, you know. So it is about to go down.
Once again, thank you to the people over here. They
Yes.
are busy and they letting us rock. So
Yes,
that's what's
they
up.
is. They sure is. They sure is. Just hook up with this.
Keep that ass, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they all nice and hot.
Mhm.
That's what I'm talking about. Taking too much of that for another 50.
And then we can try to cook. You want to get another one, yeah?
I just like to, you know what I'm saying? I gotta,
Go ahead, you are. You are. Double.
say, excuse me.
It's like a little crunch on it. You know, definitely taste the garlic parmesan. Oh man.
I definitely take the garlic pound. And I'm really about to take the garlic.
Because I think it's like sometimes there's some places like they go extra with it, like they just be like extra. So I know a couple places like if they put so much on it, it be like so salty.
I like, it depends. You know what I'm saying? I like my wings sauced up, and sometimes I don't like them
Yeah.
extra saucy like that. So
Yeah, but this is good. It's got a nice, fried right, you know. I didn't have a classic margarita yet. You know that?
I did.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm gonna have a classic margarita. I'm gonna reach over you. Oh yeah, you can grab it. We hand sanitize, all that good stuff.
We all put on the free over here.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
This is going down. This is going down.
Me and the councilman go back quite a ways, like 20 years. 20 years?
Probably more than that. We don't want to say how old we are. Let's just go with 20 years.
Coaching football.
Coaching football, working together.
The Pink House.
Together.
And North End. What street was that?
On the eye? What are you talking about?
We had the Pink House.
Oh, the Pink House?
The big 3-story building.
The big 3-story on Vine Street.
Yes. That's how far
North
I can
End.
remember. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up. I'm a wing fan. The wings going down.
The wings is going down, but I am such a margarita fan. Because for me, like a margarita really tells like about a pizza. Like oftentimes you have a pizza and you throw a lot of stuff on it, whatever, and so it drowns out the original intent of the pizza.
So you're not getting that here.
You know what I'm saying? You're getting like realness. You're getting like this is what, you know what I mean? Like you don't need all that stuff. So with the margarita, we got basically 4 ingredients. You know, the tomato sauce. What this does is really highlights the tomato sauce.
Yes.
And when you got that banging tomato sauce, you don't need all that extra stuff on it because the tomato sauce speaks for itself. You cook the bread right, you throw that tomato sauce on there.
Now you like the margarita. I like it too.
I love
But
it.
I'm homing in.
On this pesto,
On
it's
this-
definitely different. I'm telling you, it's different. It's
Pesto, just the look of it, yo. And I can't tell you everything that's on it, I just know it's going down.
Pesto magic.
Pesto magic. I like how I see
So they
that.
got mozzarella,
Mhm.
they got tomatoes down, they got the bacon in it, and the chicken, and the wonderful part about it is a white pie, and then they got the pesto as the base.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Yo, you should have been a food member, son.
Listen, I watched too many Food Network shows.
This is good, yo.
You know, food is, what brings us all together, Shout out to Walden and the team. So, this is my first time on the episode. Do we actually eat everything? Because I could.
We do our best.
You
You know what I'm saying? You might have to do something for the assistant, but
Okay, yeah. Just a
Asian
little bit.
Mariah with an E.
Yes.
She has her own channel, so y'all can check her out.
Subscribe.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. We leave it a little bit.
A little
Just a
bit.
little. Yeah. Like a half a wing.
She won't cry as much. And then
I'm saying like a little half a wing and like,
I say a slice. And the littlest wing we can find it has. And if you want to say a soda.
yeah, no, she could definitely have all the celery.
They busy, y'all.
Like, that's it.
I love this right here.
It's awesome. It's like New York over here. So I know you like the pesto, can I have another slice?
I have another slice of this.
I'm gonna have another
You know what?
slice
I'm
of
gonna just dab
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
on this one just to be. I don't want to get
So,
sad.
you see chicken, bacon, tomato, and like the pesto is underneath. It's a white pizza. It's a white pizza. So this is about skills right here. Oh, yeah. Gonna do the wok. Oh, you're not.
I got you, though.
You gonna take it to the next level? I'm not gonna do that. So what you doing there? Can you explain to me what you're doing there?
I'm green, so I like blue cheese on any type of bread almost. So this pizza right here just seems like a dippery type of pizza slice.
Dippery?
Yeah.
So we're gonna rock with that word then, right? That's
Just for today.
just for today.
It's not gonna
Dippery.
make it's premiered today, and you might not hear it again.
Let me spell it for you. D-I-P Dippery.
Definitely might not hear that again.
Uh-oh.
This is good.
Now, can I get the double dip? Now, because we got our own sauces. Mm-hmm.
Wipe the sweat real quick.
Bomb.
Real food move. Like, subscribe, and share.
Like, subscribe, and share. We trending, man.
Go out
I
and
see
vote.
your numbers, man. Your numbers going up.
Thank you.
Nationwide.
Thank you. I don't know if it's nationwide,
I think so.
but it's going up.
I see somebody commenting from, let me cover my mouth when I die.
No, they comment from all types
All
of
over.
countries. Yeah.
I seen somebody from ATL, you know, Indonesia, Jakarta. Man, you international, man.
I'm back
Thank
there.
you.
I think so for your daughter and your mother and all
Thank
that
you.
stuff.
How are you,
They tell me
How-
no.
Mr. Morin? Mr. Morin, how are you, sir?
I'm good.
I'm well. So we're recording right now. Hey, yeah. So Mr. Morin, it's all right though. It's all right. It's okay. How are you?
I'm good. I'm hungry.
We got community movers and shakers here that make a difference in the city, coming in to support Rosedale Pizzeria. You know, we got a gentleman right here that changed the South End, Hope Park area. You know, he's really with the plants and Knox Foundation and all that stuff.
And community
And
garden.
community gardening, yes, community gardening.
Yes, and,
So, you know, super busy in here.
That's what he does.
Yeah, no, he does more than that. I mean, he does NRC meetings and all that stuff. But anyway, going back to the pizza.
Down to the bone bristle. Y'all know how we doing here.
Yeah, listen. I was wondering how to eat chicken. I feel like a lot of these young folks don't know how to eat chicken. Like I see people leave too much meat on the bone.
I think that
You get in trouble for that, right?
That's
We used to get in trouble back
you
then.
should get a ticket or something.
Yeah, like we used to get hit with the chancleta in my house.
You know what I'm saying? That's like you get sent from the table.
Yeah.
You don't want to eat the table. You know what I mean? Like, I know personally somebody who just nitpicks the chicken.
Yeah.
Eat meat
It's so disrespectful.
everywhere. It's just
Yeah,
like who taught you how to eat?
exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Me personally, we down to the bone gristle. You know what I'm saying? It's just nothing's left over. You know what I mean? That's all I can say. You take the soul of the chicken. Oh man, I'm sorry.
That's cool.
The pesto was going down extra. I mean,
So you got a good view right here. You got a good view, like see the sauce, the pesto sauce. That's the base. That's the base.
this is better.
And we were waiting on there. I ain't eat lunch. I had a smoothie for lunch.
You got a little permit. Going to get the bang bang. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, Lord.
License. Get the license to operate. You know what I mean?
Some people was at the range better than others. I'm not gonna say no names. You know what I'm saying? But all I know is I was top tier level. You know.
You're gonna have to edit this. Corner we going
Yeah, I ain't gonna say so. The doors open. You know, everything's busy. You know. You know what? You could do this. You're right. It's different. It is different. DIP different.
You never dipped your pizza before?
Did I ever dip my pizza crust before? No. But when it's different, you know.
Oh man.
That's good. I'll come back. I did it last time and it was ready and it's cool.
Where we at?
To be here and I'm glad to see you're doing good business.
I'm back. Apparently we on the Britain, Booming, and Hillside, corner of Britain and Hillside.
I'm just tired about
Oh, where we at time-wise? I'm sorry.
This second part is 8 minutes. The first part was 10 minutes.
Okay.
So you're at 18.
Okay. Another strong video. All right, man, take it easy. Another strong video.
Yep. So what do they normally go? They go 18, but
My video will be like 20,
yeah.
22. I had some 15. When I'm in my car, they go a little faster. But these right here,
It's just so great to have good food, also supporting local community business owners.
Yes.
You know, only a month to see them so busy on a busy corner. I mean, it's moving and shaking in here. The pizza's great. You know, come down, support your local businesses. You know, it's more needed now than ever. The opportunity to come here and support, you know, people with their dreams and their aspirations, man. And then on top of it, I mean, it got to be banging, right? So it is banging. So
what he said.
yeah.
Oh.
Banging, for those that know, that means it's good. So I don't know. I try to use, when I get, you know, I get real comfortable when it's eating.
CT stand up. That's going down. Rosedale Pizzeria.
So I think I had 2 slices of margherita, 2 slices of pesto, and 2 chickens. And celery.
I think I had a little bit more than 2
You know what
chickens.
you should do? You should try a celery
For the crunch.
for the crunch, and it gives it like a pop. You should try it, man. I dare you, man. Like that's yo.
I'm zooming.
You're gonna trend. You're gonna trend. Let's do it. Boom. Let's clap it up. Let's clap it up. Let's clap it up. Good move. Good move. Full move. Full move. Full move. That was a great crunch, wasn't it?
Celery is different now.
Yeah, celery is great.
Definitely.
So the young kids out there, eat your celery, okay? Eat the celery, it's banging.
Eat your carrots too, man.
Yeah, eat your carrots and celery.
No,
As you can see, we love tomatoes. As you see, we love tomatoes. We got tomatoes on both pies. So, I'm actually going to take another one.
You can have to wait.
No, but we gotta leave our production assistant.
Oh,
the wing.
shit.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna leave the wing. Can you take the bones out for that for her? Thank you. That'd be very nice. Very thoughtful. I don't know if she wants my sauce. She probably does.
I did everything.
Yeah.
Celery in there.
You gotta
You don't want that.
some dessert.
All right. Well, good.
Y'all know what that means.
Yeah.
Another great episode. Shout out to everybody, all the supporters. Shout out to all Mr. LeBron's peoples. Excuse me?
Talk louder.
Ooh, talk louder. Shout out to all Mr. LeBron's people, man, for putting this together. Shout out to Walden.
Walden and his team.
And his team at Rosedale Pizzeria down here.
Pizzeria.
New Britain Avenue, Hartford, Connecticut.
Let's go. Stand up.
Real
Heartbeat, stand up.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah.
And that will be a wrap.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have him.
All right.
Tell me when.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay.
Tell me when, huh? Hey guys, thank you guys for coming to Rosedale Pizzeria. You can follow us on IG at Rosedale Pizzeria 860. We're right here in New Britain Avenue in the section of Hillside in Hartford, Connecticut. We're here serving the community. I hope you guys come by. We got great pizza. Been hearing a lot of good things about our pizza, so come by and try it out.